Set, ready for racing. Racing just is started with Warhawk break quickly restart, rushing up now on the outside, raging war Vivas champion in between horses, then followed by this time next on Larista and now Total Defiance, while Camora is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn we have Raging War. Says while we follow deep we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Vivas champion is right behind in second, then moving up now on the outside, Total Defiance is starting, now comes next this time, then followed now by Warhawk, while number 1, Camora, now racing in less. And on the fourth turn, the lead now belongs to Total Defiance. Vivas champion is running by the Raging War is Taneno. This time, Warhawk comes next, while Camora is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Vivas champion moving up down on the inside is Raging War. Total Defiance is Taneno comes next with about 100 meters of the race. We have Vivas champion, Raging War, Total Defiance once again on the outside, but it's still Vivas champion, and finally Vivas champion. Then comes Raging War, Total Defiance, 10-0 this time.
Your unofficial winner for this race number 5, entry number 4, the favorite, that is Vivas champion, skippered by G.A. Pastoral. Second, ito pong numero 7, Raging War. Tercero, numero 5,